Can a saw blade stop a bullet? We're gonna be shooting this saw blade with bigger and bigger bullets and see what it can stop. First up, 22 long rifle. I'm so good, I almost smoked her right through the hole, but she struck her there, didn't even really do a dent. Next up, 9mm. 9mm struck here. No dent, but it actually left some of that copper coating of the bullet on the blade. Next up, 44 Magnum. Shit. Shit. 44 Magnum did a huge crater in this blade. Actually kind of surprised that it passed through. That's the backside of this blade. Next up, green tip 5.56. What do I do fucking now? .556, just smoked through her like butter. There's the exit. Saw blades will actually stop quite a bit.